Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is June 12th, 2010, and I'm gonna take you out for a little fun in nature. Yes, I do leave the house. I know it's hard to believe, and this is what I'm gonna be wearing. So, yeah. Let's go.
مکدونالد سالاد نیست.
اگه که برام کش کنم بریم مکدونالد که میخوایم. اول میخوایم بستنی بخورین.
خود الان میخوریم. گرم است. خود میخواد بخوریم. با ما بخوریم.
Nature. Yep. Time for me to try and, get one with nature. Hey, Mr. Tree. How you doing today, dude? Okay, he's not answering me. The tree is not very sociable, I guess. Do you have an email address? Wow, I guess trees don't talk? Well, okay, you know what, just, find me on Twitter, okay? Find me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter. It's Paycon. I don't know why he's not talking to me. I don't know why nobody here answers me back. Like the tree over there, they totally ignored me. Anyways, well, I have 2 vlogs, but you're probably not interested, huh? You're just a screen, so there's of nature. This one's really good too, kind of sticky. But hey, if you want to see the vlog, I need a computer first, so yeah, never mind. Whew. Yes, I am actually walking outside my room. I know it's hard to believe, but once in a while I leave my room. Just once in a while.